Today, I am joined by friends Ian and Graham Stokes to run the Upper Bow. We are running this at 34 CMS, which is the highest I've ran it. This is a Class 3 run with a Class 4 canyon section. That's 14-year-old me kayaking my first season. All this started because of my dad. He taught me how to roll, run rivers, and surf, stoking the embers of my passion for whitewater. 26 years later, and here I am, still doing what I love. Life is good when I'm on the water, surrounded by other paddlers who share my love for the river. Out of the 12 months in a year, you can bet I'm on the water for every one of them. Roughly averaging 200 days a year on the water. How long will I sustain this pace? Who knows? But I do plan to make every second count. Join me and my friends as we kayak different rivers, some local to the area and others much further away. These are my memories, and these are my kayak adventures.
Any day, who's gonna win the race?
This is a shorter run that can be lapped and paired with the pipestone, if you're up to it. Wood is an ever-present hazard throughout the entire run, so always be aware. Take the time to scout horizons. This run starts off with some cruisy Class 2 rapids, which is a great warm-up before the canyon. The views along this run are absolutely amazing, and be sure to soak them in. Today, from the put-in to the canyon, it took us approximately 10 minutes without stopping, just to give you an approximate estimation. You can tell you're at the canyon when the river turns sharply to the left. You'll also see a white sign on river right, and there's a big eddy on river right as well. This is an easy eddy to catch, but missing it would put you right into the canyon.
Shall we go look? Graham, have you ran this? So, when you look at it, it's gonna look like a stacked canyon, but every move is going from an eddy into another eddy.
Yeah.
So you'll end up at one eddy and then you move to the next and you kind of work your way down.
Cool.
From up here, you can scout the entire canyon, and if you aren't feeling it, there are portage options. It is very important you scout this canyon as it often collects wood. Sometimes this wood can be in the worst spots. There are options for setting up safety here as well. When the water is lower, this canyon has a series of cross-current moves going from river left eddies to river right eddies until the bottom. At 34 CMS, the eddies that are ordinarily on river right have become either too small, non-existent, or put you directly above a wood hazard. Today we stuck to using eddies only on river left. We were very fortunate this day that the canyon was clear of wood in the spots we wanted to be.
Strength and honor? Strength and honor. Want me to go first? Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
You all ready? All right. Okay, cool. I got pushed way where I didn't expect to go. Yeah, on the left?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, sounds good.
Everybody good?
Yeah, we're good. You can go in the middle. Sweet.
There's that big hole on the right, so we'll just
Yeah.
here, first left.
I'll go last again. I'm happy to go. Oh yeah.
Yeah, so no, I'm not gonna catch the Eddie on the right. I'm just gonna make like a turn.
It's too pushy today for that shit. Yeah.
Everybody good to go?
Yep.
Sweet, let's go kayaking.
Let's go kayaking.
Once out of the canyon, Class 2 cruisy rapids resume with a couple of Class 3 ledges. There are many places to poop here. Take advantage of that.
Fun level.
Yeah, this is a great level.
It's
Safety and all, it's perfect.
yeah, it's not scrapey. There's fun boulders and like little waves, boof rocks. The canyon was like, man, I've never seen it where you could just point down and just go.
Yeah.
You know, when it's lower, it's more technical. Like the holes come out further, but there's more eddies.
The first Class 3 feature is a diagonal river-wide ledge. You can scout
this
this
is
from
it.
an eddy on river left. There's a significant horizon line here.
Cool. Nice.
Shortly after this ledge is the next Class 3 rapid located directly under a railway bridge. There's small eddies on river left before the bridge that you can get out and scout. This was such a great day, and I'm so glad to have gotten to share it with Ian and Graham.
Fuck off! Fuck off! Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah.